Ndeo Kekime Ahambi Jomakubui. Okay, so how are you today? So I hope you're well. Okay, Keki Sibogisaga, I hope you're speaking Igbo. Right, I'll get right to the chase. Why I am here today is to tell you about my free training, how to start a conversation in Igbo. Okay, it's not on YouTube, so this is holding separately off YouTube, and you need to register for it. However, the training is free. I've had about 3 already, and there are a few more to go. I'll leave the link below for you in the description so that you can register. Okay, in this free training, you're going to get 10 conversation starters. So you can bring your pen, bring your paper, your notebook, and just write it down. These are conversation starters you can actually use. I'll also give you the replies that you might hear when you start that conversation, okay? And then what to say and how to show that you're not following. So if you get stuck at any point, you know what to say, okay? And this training is for anybody that's learning Igbo, especially if you're a beginner, okay? You're learning it maybe by yourself. You've been learning a few times now, and maybe you started and stopped a few times, and you just need some support. Then you need to come to this free training, okay? Maybe you're learning it to speak with your partner. Your partner speaks English, sorry, not English, Igbo, and you want to learn so that you can bond more and bond more with your in-laws as well, and be able to teach your children. Then this free training is for you, okay? Or maybe you're a DNA tested African, maybe you were born in America, you're an African American or somewhere else, but you've tested yourself and you know that you're from Africa and you have Igbo lineage and you want to learn Igbo, then this free training is for you, okay? The next training is starting in less than 15 minutes actually, because in about 13 minutes, the next training is starting. So you might want to just jump on and get join us with that next training. Okay, so like I said, I'll leave the link underneath for you to register to join us in this conversation training, because that's what you're really aiming for, to be able to converse in Igbo, to be able to speak in Igbo with your parents, in family gatherings, in Igbo meetings. When you meet people, you want to be able to speak in Igbo. When you travel to Nigeria to meet your grandparents, you want to be able to speak in Igbo. Okay, so be sure to get there and let's carry on the conversation. Ngwango, Godi.